Meiosis is an type of cell division that produces 4 genetically distinct daughter cells by halving the number of chromosomes. This process takes place in an organism's reproductive organ and is necessary for asexual reproduction. In meiosis II, cell division again, sister chromatids spread to opposite poles. This creates 4 haploid cells. Each haploid cell has 23 chromosomes. These cells are sperm in male and egg in female. Then, when combined during fertilization, they restore the diploid chromosome number. This ensures genetic diversity and stability. This process is crucial for maintaining to the correct chromosome count in organism.
Meiosis phase.
Meiosis phases. Meiosis has 2 phases. Meiosis 1, interphase 1. The nuclear envelope disintegrates, chromosomes begins to condense, spindle fibers appears. Prophase 1, spindle fibers attach to chromosomes at the centromere. Metaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes align to the equatorial plate, ensuring genetic diversity among offspring. Anaphase 1, homologous chromosomes are pulled towards the opposite poles. Telophase 1, spindle fibers disappears, nuclear envelope is formed. Cytokinesis 1, the cytoplasms and the cell division result to non-identical haploid daughter cells. Meiosis II, interkinesis 2. Prophase 2, the chromatid condenses into chromosomes, nuclear envelope disintegrates, cytosomes migrate to other poles, spindle fibers are reformed. Metaphase 2, the chromosomes align to the equatorial plate. The chromosomes in the metaphase were homologous pair. Anaphase 2, sister chromatids are pulled to opposite poles. Telophase 2, nuclear red envelope and spindle fibers disappear. And lastly, cytokinesis 2, cytoplasms and the cell wall divide, producing 4 non-identical haploid daughter cells.
Did you know what is important of meiosis?
Oh, I know it. Follow me. Firstly, keeps the right number of chromosomes. Meiosis cuts the number of chromosomes in half. This is important because when an egg and sperm combine during fertilization, they bring back the normal number of chromosomes. Without meiosis, the chromosome number would double each generation. Secondly, creates genetic diversity. Meiosis mixes up genes from both parents, which means each children have a mix of traits from both their mom and dad, which helps species adapt to changing environments. Thirdly, prevents genetic disorders. If meiosis didn't work properly, it could lead to many or too few chromosomes, which can cause genetic disorders such as Down syndrome. Meiosis helps make sure everything is in the right balance.
Hi, let's talk about genetic variation of meiosis. In biology, meiosis directly contributes to genetic variation, and one of the processes is crossing over. During prophase 1, crossing over occurs through the exchange genetic materials between homologous chromosomes, creating new allele combination from both parents. Genetic variation also involved with independent assortment. During metaphase 1, homologous chromosome pairs line up randomly along the metaphase plate. Each pair is then separated, with one chromosome from each pair being randomly distributed to the daughter cells. This genetic variation process ensures that each individual produced through the sexual reproduction has a unique genetic makeup, even when they inherit traits from their parents.